considered an impassable frozen desert, a hostile barrier at the top of the world. Today, it is one of the most rapidly changing regions on Earth. A world of ice and light. For much of the year, the Arctic Ocean is crowned with sea ice, a floating shield that expands dramatically in winter and retreats in summer. Unlike the thick glaciers of Antarctica, Arctic sea ice forms from frozen ocean water. It moves with winds and currents, constantly shifting, cracking, and reforming. In winter, darkness consumes the region in a phenomenon known as the polar night. For months, the sun never rises above the horizon. Temperatures plummet below -40 degrees Celsius. The ocean surface becomes locked beneath thick ice. Then slowly, the sun returns. Summer brings the midnight sun, 24 hours of daylight illuminating vast expanses of shimmering ice and open water. During this brief season, life erupts in spectacular abundance. Life in the extreme. Despite its harsh conditions, the Arctic Ocean supports a surprisingly rich ecosystem. Beneath the ice, microscopic phytoplankton bloom in sunlit waters, forming the foundation of the Arctic food web. Zooplankton feed on them. Fish feed on the zooplankton, and above them all roam some of the planet's most iconic predators. The polar bear, scientifically known as Ursus maritimus, depends almost entirely on sea ice as a hunting platform. Seals, such as the ringed seal and bearded seal, surface through breathing holes in the ice, always wary of predators above and below. Walruses gather along ice edges in massive herds, using their long tusks to haul themselves onto drifting floes. Beneath the surface, narwhals, often called the unicorns of the sea, navigate icy channels with extraordinary precision. In summer, migratory birds arrive in astonishing numbers, transforming the Arctic coastline into one of the world's busiest breeding grounds. For a short time, the frozen ocean becomes alive with sound. A highway of exploration. For much of human history, the Arctic Ocean was shrouded in mystery. Early explorers risked everything searching for the Northwest Passage, a sea route linking the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through Arctic waters. Expeditions led by figures like Roald Amundsen and Sir John Franklin faced crushing ice, starvation, and isolation. Many ships were lost. Entire crews vanished into the white silence. Yet the dream of an Arctic sea route persisted. Today, as sea ice retreats due to rising global temperatures, routes such as the Northern Sea route along Russia's coast are becoming more navigable during summer months.